Welcome to this beautiful home, beginning with a low-maintenance front yard that offers great curb appeal. Step inside to a bright and inviting living room, perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or family gatherings. Down the hallway, you'll find two comfortable bedrooms, ideal for guests or even a home office setup. Full bathroom, ideal for families and guests. The kitchen features ample cabinet space and an efficient layout, making everyday cooking a pleasure. At the back of the home, the third bedroom provides added privacy and versatile use. A dedicated laundry area adds extra convenience with space for additional storage or organization. Step outside to a covered carpet, perfect for keeping your vehicle shaded and more secure. The backyard offers a spacious layout with plenty of room for outdoor seating, dining, or entertaining. You'll also find a detached bonus room perfect for a home gym, studio, or guest suite. Plenty of space to unwind, entertain, or build the backyard you've always imagined.